Honor has now officially launched the Magic V Flip 2 in China, and its specifications indicate a strong contender for the top of the foldable flip market. This device is remarkable for having the largest battery among foldables of this kind, boasting an impressive capacity of 5,500 mAh. Additionally, it features a very fast charging capability of 80 watts when using a cable and 50 watts wirelessly. So, at least in terms of energy, it certainly promises a lot. In the realm of photography, it aims to surpass its competitors by offering a system that features a dual camera setup. This includes a main sensor with 200 megapixels, an aperture of f1.9, and optical stabilization, which should assist in enhancing the digital zoom. This capability is expected to maintain optical quality, at least up to 4x, based on our tests with other phones. However, we are uncertain about how effectively Honor has optimized this sensor. Yet, theoretically speaking, it is indeed possible to achieve a zoom of very good quality. In this flip, it is accompanied by a 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. So as you can see, we will not have telephoto camera, but I insist that the main sensor could help. The front camera is 50 megapixels, quite good. In comparison, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7 is left with a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel, ultra wide angle and 10 front, so this Honor device seems to outperform it in all aspects. Inside, the Honor Magic V Flip 2 has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. While it's a powerful chip, it's not the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It's a newer flip phone that some other competitors are using. It comes in configurations of 12 gigabytes of RAM with options of 512, 200, 56 gigabytes or even 1 terabyte of storage, and also a special Jimmy Choo edition of 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage with a special design, also this design as with some diamonds. Encrusted in the purest style of the model that Motorola launched in collaboration with Swarovski. The starting price for the Honor Magic V Flip 2 is 5,499 yuan for the basic configuration. At the current exchange rate, this would be roughly $755. However, keep in mind that prices here might differ from those in China. If this device is released globally, its price could increase significantly. For now, I would love to hear your thoughts on Honor's offering in the flip phone market. Do you think it would be the new king? Although it probably won't make it out of China, because at least Honor has never taken this flip model out of China.